Now we are to factorize this algebraic expression x multiplying x minus 2 minus 3xy plus 6y. Okay, if you look at this expression, this one has already been factorized for you, right? So there is no need of expanding it. It will rather create another or waste your time. So the next thing we have to do is to factorize this one. Okay, so let's write that and do it. We have x multiplying x minus 2 and then minus 3xy plus 6y. So as I said, this one has already been factorized for you. So our main focus is on these two terms. Over here, you find a number which can divide each of the terms here, okay, or a number which is common to each of the terms here. Now if you take minus 3 and then 6, which number can divide minus 3 exactly and can also divide 6 exactly? The common number is what? Negative 3, right? So we write our negative 3 somewhere. Now we have other variables also in this expression. We have x here, we don't have x here. We have y here, we have y here. So it means that y2 is common to these terms. So we add that to the 3, which is negative, right? So this becomes the factor of negative 3xy plus 6y. So you write your x multiplying x minus 2 and then you write your negative 3y, which is a factor of these two terms. Now we come here, we take the first term. After factorizing this one out, you open your bracket. Now you take the first term. You divide this negative 3xy by this negative 3. The result is what you write in this bracket, right? So let's do that. We have negative 3xy and we are dividing it by negative 3y, which is the factor of these two expressions. Negative 3 divide negative 3, y divides y. Now it will be left with what? X. Okay, now we come here. We have positive 6y and we are dividing by the factor, which is what? Negative 3y. So 6 divided by negative 3 will give us what? Negative 2. And then y divides y gives 1. 1 multiplied in a number is the same number. So it will be left with what? Negative 2. Now, after factorizing this, we've seen that we have these common terms here, right? Which is x minus 2 here, x minus 2 is also here. And we have the other numbers or variables which are multiplying these x minus 2. So what you do is you write those outside the bracket into one bracket. That is, you group them. So you group this one, which is x minus 3y in a bracket. Then you write one of the items in the various brackets also there. Now we have x minus 3y and then x minus 2. So this becomes the factorized form of the expression x multiplying x minus 2 minus 3xy plus 6y. So which of the options given to you is correct? The option A is correct, which is x minus 3y and then x minus 2. If this is your first time of reaching this channel, press the subscription button, subscribe, and then press the notification bell so that you will be updated on any new videos. You can click the channel name there to go through the playlist to watch more of these tutorials on Q&A.